Start by pouring water into the bowl containing the crabs to wash off any sand. Drain the water and repeat this process 2 or 3 times as needed. For the initial rinses, I used a bucket before transferring the crabs to a bowl. Next, heat up water until it's hot. Pour the hot water over the crabs in the bowl, then drain it and immediately introduce cold water. Using a toothbrush, scrub the crabs thoroughly. Carefully remove the claws and clean them well. Open up the crabs and remove the gills along with any other undesirable parts inside. I actually removed the gills off camera. Rinse everything thoroughly with water and voila, your land crabs are ready. Thanks for watching my video. If you got to this point, it means you are good. Thank you. Thanks for your support. Kindly subscribe to my channel and God bless you.